Hi beauties, it's Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we're going to be making a little to-do list here. And what we've got, I've got some chipboard alpha letters that are white and foil. I picked these up at Michael's. They were on clearance for 97 cents. So I've got those. I've got a Dollar Tree 8x10 photo frame. I have a piece of white card stock. And I have my favorite wall stickers. This one has this beautiful flamingo, and I think we're going to have to do a little surgery, but I want that to fit on here. So let's go ahead. I'm going to open this up real quick because we need to measure it. And these come up pretty easy. Ooh, I almost got myself. Be careful. It will come up with just your fingers, but that's all right. Now, if you don't have the white paper, you could flip this over, but sometimes it has a little bit of yuck on there. So you can just measure this out to where you want it. So you take this out, you get a little pen here and mark it, and then you're going to get your paper cutter out or your scissors, whichever you have there. And we're just going to cut right along that line. And the same here. Just measure that up. And we should be good to go. Now, we want to put this guy on here, but we need to do a little bit of cutting because he's not going to fit on there. See, his head is too high. So, but I do want to use this guy. So I'm going to open this up. I think, maybe not. Yes, there we go. And I'm going to use this one here. Nope, I want him to be facing this way. So this one's facing that way. All right. So I know that I want this on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these guys here, and I'm going to give him some surgery. We're going to cut right on that line. And then the same here. Okay. Now we're going to take this guy and we're going to kind of measure how much we need to cut off, because I need to give him a little bit less here. So I'm going to cut that. We're going to cut that there. And this is going to be a little bit crazy because it's not going to come exactly there. So I'll show you what we have to do. Got that there. We've got his legs down there. Now we're going to take this part. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just cut these little parts off. You won't even be able to tell really. And just clean it up, make it a little bit rounder. There. And make him a little bit. There we go. And now he's going to fit perfectly in there. And you can't even tell. You're not going to miss that other loop. Nobody's going to be like, where's that other loop? So I've got that down. And now I think what I want to do is add just one of these little guys on here. But I don't want the whole thing. So we're going to take and we're going to cut this one as well. And we're just going to do a little bit of fussy cutting here. And don't worry about the being perfect. Just get in between the shapes that you want, because you're not going to be able to tell. And then, as long as you've cut it all correctly, there we go. We're just going to have that coming out of here. Let's see, you can't really tell much. Alright, so we've got those done. You can add some of these little guys here and there if you'd like. Just like that. You can add some more wherever you'd like, but I think I'm pretty much done. I'll save those for later. I love this. Alright, so now we're going to come right back over here, bringing in this guy. Make sure your glass is all cleaned up and nice. You're going to stick that right there. I'm going to take this guy and put them right back there. You want to make sure that this is on the bottom. That way you can hang it up, or you can just sit it there. And look at that. You can have, oh, I did not clean a piece of that up. So you've got this here. You can just leave that as decoration if you'd like. But what we're going to do is we're going to make this a little to-do list. So we're going to put out our letters here. That'll be a T. Okay, I think that looks great. We're going to put a dab of glue here. And another here. And we've got our TO. Move it over just a little bit. There we go. And Now we've got our to-do. Now I'm just going to take my dry erase. If you have any little guys on there, get them off. And now you've got your notes. I've got my Arteza dry erase marker, of course. And I'm going to ask if you will please like and subscribe. Ah! Good thing this is dry erase, because we could just erase that right off there. How about like and follow? All right, beauties, have a great day, and I hope you like this. This was fun to make, and I cannot wait. I'm just gonna stick that up just like that. All right, have a great day. Bye.